Hey Levi, my name is Erin. I'm from Duff Digital Marketing. My husband and I spoke with Ron at your establishment earlier today, and we appreciate him taking the time to talk to us. We were actually doing some research in the area and we came across your website, so we figured we would shoot you guys this short video just showing you basically how you can beat out your competition online. I know you guys are busy, so I certainly do not want to waste your time. I'll keep this nice and short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that we have a lot of tricks up our sleeve that can help grow your business online, and that's something that you guys are interested in doing, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries at all. Take these tips that I've given you today for free and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you're able and if you have time, if you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful or not, that would greatly be appreciated. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and jump in and we'll get started. So the three things that I want to cover today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing up is going to be content, and that is basically anything that you can see here on your website. That's also the pictures, what's behind the pictures, and what they're saved as. That can be considered content as well. These are things that the search engine can read and get an idea of what the services that you offer are, as well as the area that you're targeting, and that helps to position you in the search ranking. So having unique, authoritative content and having enough of it, that way you can add in those keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching Google for to locate your services, is super important. Looking at your website, it does look like you all have a fair amount of content and you have the pictures as well. You can certainly always add more content. To Google, content is king, so the more that you have of it, the better, and it really just gives you more of an opportunity, like I said before, to add in those keywords and key phrases that you want to be found for. So that's really the only tip that I have for you there, so we'll go ahead and move on. The second thing that I wanted to cover is going to be citations. So looking at a Google search here for a garage door repair in Greensboro, you'll see that the first thing we have here are these three. And this is what we call the map pack. And the citations have a lot to do with the map pack. So you may be asking yourself, what in the world is a citation? So citations are essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And a directory, basically are things like Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, and any other places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within there. That would be considered a directory. So in order to rank high here on the maps, you would need to make sure that you're looking at your competition's directory listings and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and then go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you, of course, do not just want to stop at whatever your competition has. You want to get what they have, and then you want to add more to that, so you're completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank here in the search. So now that we have covered the content and the citations, the last thing that I wanted to go over is going to be backlinks. That has a lot to do with what we call the organic section down here underneath the maps. So the way that backlinks work is essentially there's a website out there that has a link to your website and is pushing power to your site, potentially, of course, bringing traffic to you. So backlinks are not created equal though. For example, say that you all did some work with a company who is an ice cream shop, and they've decided that they're going to give you all a link from their website to yours, pushing power to you. But of course their link is unfortunately going to be about ice cream. So it's really not going to do you any good since it has nothing to do with your business. We want to get links from other garage door repair companies that's going to be sending a link back to your site saying, yes, they are a garage door repair company. And that's going to be a lot more powerful because it's unique and it's also relevant to your industry. So looking at one of the tools that I have here, this is called Ahrefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it is a company that buys data from Google, so it gives me at least an idea of what's working well for you all and what's working well for your competition also. So with this, I can see that you all currently have 22 referring domains, and that is giving you 54 backlinks, but you're not getting found for any keywords, which means that no traffic is being pushed to your site. I did also pull up some of your competition here. This is the first listing in that organic section under the maps. This is for Precision Garage Door of NC. So it looks like they have 232 referring domains, which is giving them over 4,000 backlinks and getting them found for 739 keywords, which is pushing roughly about 311 people to their site each month. I did also pull up the keywords that they have here, and I'm just clicking this position button just so we can see kind of everything in order here. So it looks like in the first position, they're being found for Garage Door Repair Greensboro, NC. They're being found for their company name, of course. Garage Door Repair Greensboro, Garage Doors Greensboro, NC, and the list goes on here. And it looks like they're at the top for quite a few things. They have a lot of keywords, which is great because any of these things that people are searching, they're going to be on that first page for. Google typically has about 10 entries per page. So, I mean, they're position 8 down here, 9, 10. So this whole list that we've gone through, they're going to be the first ones that come up in Google. So that's where, you know, of course, you all want to be. And essentially, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And just like the citations, you don't just want to stop there. You want to be found where they're being found, and then you want to go out and get more citations, backlinks, content. That way, again, you're just completely dominating them, and you all are the first ones showing up. But that is pretty much it. I hope this video has been educational for you. If you all would like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please give us a call and we can chat. And like I said, if not, no worries at all. Enjoy these free tips that I've given you today. And if you could just give me some feedback and let me know if this was helpful, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you, Levi, for your time. And thank you for, Ron speaking with us on the phone earlier today. And thanks for watching our video. If there's anything else that we can do or any questions that we can answer, please reach out to us. And you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Talk to you soon.